What's going on YouTube? DJK coming at you with another video. Just want to talk briefly about the MPCXL. We know now that it's actually going to be coming out. It's the same MPC. Some people are saying that the screen is bigger, and to me, when I look at my MPC and I look at that one, it's the same size. It's the same MPC, people. Okay, it's nothing different other than maybe more RAM and a paint job, and that's it. Okay, so in my opinion, why get it? You know what I'm saying? It's not new. It's nothing new on there that's gonna make you want to really buy it unless you never had an MPC X. I got an X. A lot of us got X's already, but I skipped a lot of these MPCs. I didn't buy the Live 2, the MPC Force, the MPC 1. The only thing I got right now is a Renaissance, MPC X, and an MPC Key 61. That's all I got. Because the MPC Key was something different. You know, it was, even though the software is the same, the keyboard had a few new buttons on it, put it like that. The MPCXL looks to be the same drum machine with the same exact buttons. It don't look like it got nothing new. To me, this might not be it, but I'm thinking it is because Andy Mack, shout out to Andy Mack, but Andy Mack was in this he's in Atlanta with Brian Michael Cox and Jermaine Dupri. So he brought the unit over, MPC Key 61. Brian Michael Cox is playing on that. So we know that this is it. This is it right here, like Michael Jackson. This is it, like Michael Jackson. This is the MPC XL. But to me, it just ain't worth buying because it ain't nothing really new on there other than the Ethernet port and a paint job. And the screen is the same size. I'm telling y'all, it's not bigger. You can look at your own MPC X and just size it up. It looks like it's the same exact size. What you buying it for, man? You know, I mean, what's the point of getting it just so you can say you got a retro version? Hell, I can take my Renaissance pads and put it on the MPCX and have somebody make me a custom skin. The only thing I'm not gonna have is the Ethernet port, and I'm not gonna have what else? The gray bumper on the bottom. Pretty much that's all I'll be missing. But here's the thing, that thing is so big, you ain't taking it out your studio. So the RAM upgrade don't justify buying it either, because you ain't taking it out your studio for real. You leaving that in the house wherever you doing your thing. So why do you really need that? Because you're gonna I'll be in controller mode on mine when I'm using it. I don't never use it standalone for real. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get it unless somehow I get it for free some kind of way. I bought the MPC Key 61. I bought the MPC X. I bought the Renaissance. I didn't get none of them for free, you know. So I don't know. To me, it ain't worth getting because it's gonna probably be the same price point as the MPC was when it first came. The MPC X was when it first came out. So yeah, that's just my take on it. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I can't really look at the camera much. I don't know. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys on the next video.